So the Tecno Camon 19 series device will be the next Tecno flashy device to be released soon this year, be 2022. The Tecno Camon 19 series include the Tecno Camon 19, the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, the Tecno Camon 19 Neo, and the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G. So the most premium and classic model from all the Tecno Camon 19 series is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, and it is what we are going to be talking about in this video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, and for you to know more details about the device, let's dive on. Hey guys, it's just here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the upcoming Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G device. First of all, this Camon 19 Pro 5G will come with ergonomic design for ultimate comfort when it's being held in the hands. And also, the camera module will be in the shape of the infinity sign.
Furthermore, the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G will come with two large rings that contains the triple camera sensors. The first ring of the upcoming device will have one camera lens, which is the 64 megapixel main lens, while the second ring will have double lenses, which will be the 50 megapixel primary camera with 2 megapixel depth AL lens. Outside of the rings, there will be a LED flashlight.
In addition, the main camera will come with OIS, which is the optical image stabilization.
The selfie camera is not yet identified, but it will be housed inside a center punch hole. The upcoming device will sport a curved display of 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz high refresh rate and a minimal bezels. On the right of the upcoming device, the volume finger card and the power button will be there. Probably the fingerprint sensor will be side mounted. On the left, there will be a dual nano SIM slot. At the top, there will be a microphone, and on the bottom, there will be a USB Type-C port with dual stereo speakers.
While we are anticipating for the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, it is said that the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G will run on Android 12, but literally this device is going to be among the first devices to run the Android 13 beta version.
The 19 Pro 5G will be powered by Snapdragon 8450 chipset. It may seem like a new chipset, but it is a modern number of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is SM8450. So don't be confused about the chipset, it is still Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Which I think it is suitable for the upcoming device if it eventually comes out that way. Before I forget, the Camon 19 series devices will be launched globally on 14th of June.
So guys, that comes to the end of my video for the upcoming Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G. Kindly subscribe to the channel, also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video.